integer, string and character. Now in this video I will show how to print this, and as I said that those are new, you have to keep watch and practice if you can. And following videos I will also show how to install compiler in the Linux, and here I will show how to print the data. All right, make it little bit bigger, maybe it is okay. And you can see I'm going to create a file, touch test.cpp extension. Okay, now nano, I'm here, right here, include the library IOSTR. I will explain this syntax using namespace std. Okay, and integer main, this is the function, this is the parameter, and this is block of body. Okay, return. If you do not understand anything, keep watching, it is fine. I just want to show how to print something: integer, character and string. Let's say integer a equal to 3. Integer means full complete number 1 2 3 4. Character char, character, let's say letter, and it is a. So we write character a single quote, semicolon, string name. Okay, name, and this is double quote, and right here Tom. Semicolon. Now I just want to print this 3 value or data, and right here a, it will print a, and now I'm going to type here in L. Okay, see here letter, and in L here name in L. Okay, that's all. I just want to show this, that you understand how to print different data. This is integer type, character and string. In details you will get explanation following videos. Now compile it, G compiler, and compilation done. We can see this file is here. Now run it. So you see it is printing 3a and Tom, cat. So this is our program file that I am asking integer 3a and Tom to print. It is printing. All right, now I just want to do a little change. I can also print like this, that integer value a. Okay, and I can write here a. I can also do this. I can write here letter. Okay, and here I can write here letter, and here I can write here name. Just I want to see it details. Okay, then run this. No, it will not run. Here we need to, it's okay, G, run it, and it is done. And see, integer value is a, letter, so integer value 3, letter a, and name Tom. So this is what I am asking, and this is just syntax. Okay, and I want to just do a small calculation. That's an nano test. I want to delete everything. Okay, delete everything means just delete this part, right? And also delete these 2 lines, 2 lines deleted, and I want to do a small calculation. Integer b equal to 6, integer c equal to a plus b. Okay, so how to print this? That value, you can write here value value of C. Okay, and right here just C. So A equal to 3, B equal to 6, A and B, if you add, it will be 9. So value of C is going to print as a 9. And all the time, if you change anything, you have to compile. Okay, and now run it. So you see value of C is 9. This is how to type and print integer value, string or character value. I hope you understood. Following video, I will continue explanation, syntax, more details. Thank you very much.